All right, that is done, boys and girls. Yeehaw! What a weird monitor to build, eh? All right, there's a reveal. Boom! Bow, shka, wow, wow. That is not on right. Whoa! Holy moly! Hey, what's up, guys? Esports Bob here, and this is my trusty friend Esports Doggy, Esport Doge. And today we're unboxing Esports, a 1080p 27-inch monitor with 144 Hz refresh rate. This is the Bezel 27-inch 144 Hz gaming monitor with FreeSync. I know the name is in Chinese and everything, but this is sold by Next Technologies, I think exclusively on Lazada, maybe even elsewhere, but it is a very affordable 144 Hz 1080p 27-inch monitor. It used to be 14,000 pesos. Now I bought it for 11,499. So 11,500 for a 27-inch 144 Hz FreeSync monitor is pretty good. Now we have to figure out if the quality is pretty good as well. The box has been squished a little bit, but hopefully the monitor is still okay. We'll figure it out. Let's go unbox it right about now. Oh, nice. Ooh. Okay, the styrofoam still intact. Very roomy inside. How is that working? It says right there, 27Q HD 144. 144. But this is not a QHD display. QHD, wow, okay. Interesting. They get you the display out right. Let me put that over here. And looks like all of our accessories are over here. We have our adapter. This is 12 volts DC, 4 amps. And ooh, it doesn't look like it's auto volt. It doesn't go 110 volts. So we have the metal sort of thing that goes onto the base. This is the base itself, pretty solid looking base. Metal on the bottom, screw holes over there, pretty interesting. AC plug cable that we can see. This got some sticker on there, sticker residue. The weirdest thing was this came with a Ugreen DVI cable in the packaging of Ugreen, which is crazy because that's one of my favorite cable brands is Ugreen. But however, they have another DVI cable in the box. I don't know. But there's the box. Let's try and assemble this guy right now. Alrighty, so it does come with a set of screws, of course. Relatively small little screws, so I'm gonna use some small screwdrivers. Huh, that's tight. That's what she said. So these materials are pretty solid if you ask me, but the assembly process is not that easy. Plus, there are no instructions. I don't remember a monitor that requires mini screwdrivers ever, so kind of an interesting build. There we go. Ugh, what a weird monitor to build, eh? There we go. There we go. Now, the bottom is super weird too. Let me see. Oh, God. Gaming PC monitor, model name MD28911, 144 Hz, 12 volts, 4 amps, 1920 by 1080, Shenzhen Dial Displays, Company Limited, made in China. Got some inputs over here. Looks like headphone, DVI, HDMI, HDMI, and our power. And then we got our buttons over here. I don't know if you can see that, but there you go. I'm gonna continue assembling this guy. Here we go. Come on. Oh, that hurts. Having a really small screwdriver, really. Ah! Boom! Bow, shka, wow, wow. That is not on right. Whoa! Holy moly! Wait a minute. Jesus, boy. This is not, like I said, the tolerances were so weird. Oh, ow, ow. Yeah, this thing is, yep, okay. Anybody who's gonna buy this one, gotta be careful, okay? If you buy the bezel, careful when you tighten. It literally hurts my hand. Oh my, it's so small. Box doesn't come with a screwdriver either. What the hell? What the actual hell? This thing isn't on tight. See? See? Ah, my hand. Ah. Okay. That is tighter than nun's ass, okay? Come on. Ah! All right, that should be tight enough. Oh my God, that hurts. Holy crap. That hurts. Okay. Now it's on. Whew. It's still, oh, what? Still wiggles. Look at this. Just look at that. Huh? What? Ah! You better have a lot of super small finger strength with this. Ah! Why? Why did they make this thing like this? Ah! It's still loose. Admittedly, not as much, but. God. Ah! I hate you. I hate you.
A few moments later.
I think that's about as good as we can get it. I mean, this is pretty normal wobble at this point for most monitors. Yeah, okay, that's not too bad. Well, let's get on with it. God, that was holy crap. Ow. Ow. Ow, really? Ow. Okay, let's get on. Let's use this monitor. Okay. You're gonna need help if you buy this monitor. You're gonna need some grip strength and torque on your wrist if you want to buy this monitor. Holy crap, that hurt. As you can see, 1920 by 1080 144 hertz RGB SDR. Oh no, the interface is in Chinese. I wonder how do I change it. This is OSD settings right here. Aha! Hey! It has DCR. This is very similar to the AOC monitor we just unboxed. We have a black level. We have sharpness. That's the image. Okay, aspect ratio wide. Color temperature warm. I don't want warm. You gotta change that. Gotta get used to this buttons. Alright guys, so we're doing a 144 hertz Blur Buzzers test UFO thingamabob. As you can see, we're doing 144 hertz. And damn, that looks pretty sharp. And it seems like the colors are pretty good, I have to admit. Why is the OSD not showing up? So we got contrast at 50, black level 50. Maybe I should change that. sRGB. Yep. Not a lot of things we changed in here. And seems like it's doing quite good in terms of image quality. Bezels are relatively small, as you can see. One thing I have a complaint about is that the cables are always showing down here. Well, because the inputs are all down here, which is weird. You know, why don't they just let you poke it from the back? That's what she said. This guy doesn't have a speaker. Welcome back, brah. Yeah, nice. That's smooth. All right. Woo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! 144 hertz is great. I wonder if I can, woo, check it out. I have an actual steering wheel set up, but right now we're just on the gamepad. All right, guys, so here's a final comparison. I'll show you the difference between a FreeSync display 144 Hz and a 60 Hz display with no VSync. That means screen tearing. We have an old Samsung 60 Hz display here. Pretty decent display, but it is relatively old. Versus the Bezel 144 Hz FreeSync. This is running on an RX 550 graphics card, so we do have FreeSync enabled. That means no screen tearing on the 144 Hz FreeSync bezel display. Very nice, and especially nice because it's only 11,500 pesos for a pretty decent quality display with really small bezels. I'm showing you slow-mo footage right now, but as you can see, it's really advantageous to have more frames per second on your display, one higher refresh rate, and also no screen tearing makes it much nicer to see the gameplay because it doesn't cut up the display and makes it so it's kind of, you know, ugly to watch, and it just, your mind might not notice, but your eyes will just hurt when it sees it. Anyway, that's about it. All right, guys, so here's some final thoughts on the FreeSync enabled Bezel 144 Hz 27-inch display 1080p from Bezel or Next Technologies from Lazada. 11,500, I think that's a pretty good bargain. You can see the viewing angles are pretty nice. I'm not going to complain. I think the color quality is actually quite nice, and I'm surprised because this is just a budget monitor. 144 Hz FreeSync is super awesome. I don't even care about FreeSync so much. I'm just going to go with the 144 Hz because I do have primarily a NVIDIA graphics card. But I like the display. I hate the bottom. I'm really not liking the way you mount the base, but after you get the base on, I think it's a pretty nice display for 11,500. So that's about it, guys. Alex from atechnoclass.com. Thanks very much for watching. And I think it's a nice display. Check it out. See you guys next time. Bye.